When I and my sister use the Whoopie cushine to practice Tiantian.
哎呦我的妈！
Hey Tiantian, my sister got a stomachache now, and she farts all the time.
Oh, no biggie. Everyone farts.
Yeah, I'm so sorry I have a stomachache.
It's fine. She can be poop, right?
Tiantian, what I see?
I was talking about when have you learned beatbox? That sounds pretty good. You know young adults, do you know that what people say? You fart louder but less smell. Alright, tonight, do you want to hang out with Dami to watch the football match? You know, young adults fun activity. What about let her use the bathroom for now? She's been doing this for the all time. It's so scary. And that. What if you just keep talking? I can't interrupt her. Oh my god, I can't into the conversation. I know. Let me grab some snacks for you guys, and
It was a job. I used the Whoopie cushine under me.
oh, I know this. I thought you. It's so interesting. Give it to me. Oh.
哎呦我的妈！
Oh my god, you have so much fun. Hey, wait here. I'm gonna take some snacks.
Hey Tiantian, no, stay. And my friend is coming on the way.
You serious?
Yep.
Wonderful.
They are going to win.
Definitely Messi is the chosen one. It's right.
Definitely.
哎呦我的
Gosh,
妈！
I can play for the whole day.
Hey Tiantian, stop.
What? I can't stop. It's fantastic. Hey, what's in here? Hey, this side.
Hey,
No. One more time. One more.
I am
What's your problem?
Tiantian.
Guess what?
You right side.
Wait, what? Since when Dad's here staring at me? Oh, shit. Oh my god, shit. Why don't you tell me?